Hey loves, I'm back with another video. This is a hair video. This is from CurlKit. So let's open this right. Ooh, that smells good. Let's open this right up. Okay, Beauty and the Beat, the Rhythm and Glow. Okay, got some insider notes, kit content. Let's tell you about the products. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, everything is full size. Okay. It's not playing. Okay, this is a, wait. It's good for skin and hair. Okay. So it hydrates, anti-breakage, styling, leave-in, co-wash. It's vegan. Okay. And they got a Facebook, a Twitter, and Instagram. Check them out. Shine and Jam. Okay, so next we got the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil. It's some shine mist. Okay, let's do the smell test. That's what I smelled. It smells like medicine. Okay, so this right here, I have one of these already and I haven't used it. So, ooh, might be good for a giveaway, don't you think? Because I already have one. I don't know, we'll see. And this is Twist Butter, Candy Curls. Oh, hold on, let me do this real quick. Forgot, let's open this one up. And they're also on Instagram. You get a brush. And this is the growth serum. It's 100% natural. 100% my bad. It's a 3-month supply, y'all. So it's just castor seed oil and vitamin E. Alright, we're going to see how that is. This is soft too. Okay. So this is Black and Castor Flaxseed Oil Styler. It's by Shine and Jam 2. Firm hold. Like you want that slick ponytail, girl. This is it. Okay. Let me see. Oh, it says put on your hair when it's damp. Let's open this up. Look like it got stuff inside of it. Oh. It smells like, I don't know, like a really light body mist. Maybe some guy stuff or something. Kind of smell like it. I don't know. But it's like a yellowish gold color. And the last one we got is Candy Curls. It's Twist Butter. It's 100% organic. And I'm pretty sure they have an Instagram too. So let's open these up. This is basically it. Ooh. It smells like, I don't know. Something when I was little. When I was a little one. Okay, so there's like shea butter in here. Olive oil, sesame oil, safflower oil, avocado butter, honey, ginger, mango, pumpkin seed, carrot oil. It's organic. Goji extract, aloe vera, green tea, rosemary. Really? Okay. Vitamin E. Fragrance and, you know. So basically like three things in here are not organic. It seems like maybe it is organic, but it's not like plant-based or anything. So yeah, that was a quick video, y'all. So I hope you enjoy. Check them out. As always, I'll leave the link below in the description. And I'll catch you next month in another one of these videos. Alright. Bye.